Here's one of my buddies in the little black helicopters. Must be a very important Amber Alert out here today. Like 5, 6, 7 videos of him landing on my head. That's just in a short span of time at the end of the fucking air parade, the 2-year fucking parade. Probably so much shit I don't know about. Oh yeah, that's our helicopter pocket route. Yep. They fly out to all calls right on your roof. Well, we made it up, and then we fucking had a little committee party, told the people about it, so that's it. That's all you have to do. There he goes, right over that roof. It's probably like some documented purpose this time, so that's why he's flaunting himself. Please get me on camera so that it looks like I was actually doing something proper for once.